Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to use organic wheatgrass powder. It's a simple process that can easily fit into your daily routine. The easiest way is to mix 1 to 2 teaspoons of the powder into about 8 ounces of water or your favorite juice. For optimal absorption, many find it beneficial to drink this mixture on an empty stomach, typically first thing in the morning. This quick method ensures you get your daily dose of nutrients without any fuss. Organic wheatgrass powder offers a wealth of benefits for your well-being. It's truly a nutrient-dense superfood, packed with essential vitamins such as A, C, E, and K, along with vital minerals like iron, calcium, and magnesium. This powerful green powder is known for its ability to aid in detoxification, helping your body cleanse itself naturally. Furthermore, it supports healthy digestion, strengthens your immune system, and can even contribute to more radiant skin. It's a fantastic addition for boosting your daily nutritional intake. Preparing your organic wheatgrass powder is incredibly simple. For a quick and potent shot, just mix 1 to 2 teaspoons of the powder with a small amount of water. If you prefer, you can easily boost your morning smoothie by blending in 1 to 3 teaspoons for a vibrant green kick. It also works wonderfully stirred into other green juices, homemade salad dressings, or even a warm soup just before serving. Remember to mix it well to ensure a smooth, clump-free drink. To get the most out of your organic wheatgrass powder, a few simple tips can make a big difference. Firstly, consistency is key. Try to incorporate it into your routine daily. Begin with a smaller dose, perhaps 1 teaspoon, and slowly increase it as your body becomes accustomed. Many find that consuming it on an empty stomach in the morning leads to optimal nutrient absorption and a noticeable energy boost. Lastly, always opt for a high-quality, certified organic powder to ensure you're getting the purest benefits.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.